What's the meaning of administration? Administration. 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 Administration refers to the process of managing or organizing something, such as a business, organization, or government. It involves making decisions, setting goals, and implementing plans to achieve those goals. Effective administration results in efficient use of resources, streamlined communication, and successful achievement of objectives. In contrast, poor administration can lead to confusion, disorganization, and failure to meet goals. Ultimately, the success or failure of an entity often depends on the quality of its administration.